QuietRock 545 by PABCO Gypsum is the ideal solution for high-end home theaters, commercial theaters, professional studios, recording studios, and other projects where low-frequency mitigation is critical. The 1 3/8" multi-layered laminated sound damping panel is comprised of 4 layers of gypsum, a layer of magnesium oxide, sheet metal, and 5 layers of sound damping polymer. QuietRock 545 is UL certified for use on several fire resistance rated applications. This video will show you how to install QuietRock 545 along with some helpful tips for making your installation a success. Let's get started. Begin by sealing any flush-mounted electrical outlets, water hookups, or other penetrations with Quiet Putty. Quiet Putty effectively seals and maintains the performance of acoustically rated walls with penetrations. Seal all switch and junction boxes with Quiet Putty by fitting the pad around outlet boxes, conduits, and cables. Firmly press the Quiet Putty pad into place so the entire surface of the back of the outlet box is covered and sealed. Now, you're ready to measure and mark any cuts on your panels. Make sure the QuietRock 545 panel is oriented correctly when you transfer cut marks. The magnesium oxide layer should be closest to the interior of the wall cavity on the back side of the board. Cut the QuietRock 545 panel with a circular saw fitted with a carbide tip blade. Use a rotozip or jigsaw with carbide tip blades for cutouts and corners. Now, you're ready to hang the panels. Due to its weight, we recommend that at least 2 people install the panel. A scissor lift or scaffold may also be helpful in installing the board on higher walls or ceilings. Secure QuietRock panels to studs with drywall screws every 12 inches or as required by local building code, fire resistance, or acoustic tested assembly details. Use number 6 or 7 bugle head minimum 1 7/8" drywall screws for QuietRock 545 panels. The screw type varies by stud. Screws should be driven in so the heads are slightly below the gypsum panel surface without breaking the face paper, fracturing the core, or stripping the framing member. Once all the drywall panels have been installed, you're ready to seal the perimeter of the wall with Quiet Seal Pro. Quiet Seal Pro is a high-performing, non-hardening acoustical sealant used to maintain optimum acoustic performance of wall assemblies. Apply up to a 1/4" bead of Quiet Seal Pro around the perimeter of the wall. Ensure that the Quiet Seal Pro creates an airtight seal between the QuietRock panels and the adjacent wall, floor, or ceiling. For optimal acoustic performance, be sure to use the complete QuietRock system when installing QuietRock 545 panels, including Quiet Seal Pro and Quiet Putty. Once you've hung and sealed your panels, give it a final check for any gaps or holes and seal as needed. Now, you're ready to mud, tape, and paint as you would any other drywall product. That's it. Your project is complete. Now, go enjoy your new media room. QuietRock 545, maximum sound control across a broad frequency range.